2, 1. Gentlemen, you have a race. Oh, they got it! Wow! Already in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gentlemen, you have a race! 70, 80, 90 miles per hour. The airspeed comes alive from Billy Worth in the biplane. David on the motorcycle, neck and neck as they pass through 130 miles per hour. Now as they get to